LG Gram 2022 15Z90Q Ultra Lightweight Laptop, 15-inch 1920 by 1080 IPS display, Intel 12th generation i7 1260p processor, 32GB LPDDR5, 1TB NVMe SSD, Full HD webcam, Wi-Fi 6, Thunderbolt 4, Windows 11, black color. Hi, welcome my friend. 15-inch Full HD IPS display with DCI-P3, a screen that can make your visions come to life with a bold DCI-P3 99% color gamut to add a realistic touch to graphics. DCI-P3 typical 99%, minimum 95%. Intel platform powered by 12th generation Intel Core i7 processor. The Iris Xe graphics, a powerful processor, impressive with the Iris Xe graphics built to carry you through work, studies, and surfing the web. 32GB LPDDR5 RAM, 32GB of memory to a substantial clock speed of 5200 MHz. We're making it as simple to do work and play with minimal buffering. 1TB NVMe SSD, supporting 1TB of storage. You have the power and speed to run multiple large applications while saving your important documents with ease. With an ultra lightweight body, bring your laptop wherever you go since it'll never weigh you down. 80 watt-hour battery. Carry your hustle anywhere with up to 12.5 hours of non-stop power and get up to 19.5 hours of video playback. With a whopping 80 watt-hour battery, connect with confidence. 2 USB-C ports with Thunderbolt 4 support. 2 USB-A 3.2 ports. A full-size HDMI port, a micro SD card reader, and a 3.5mm audio jack. Stay connected, Full HD video quality, and built-in AI sound technology that filters out background noise so you can always look and sound at your best. To get the product, you can click the link below the video. Do not forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and activate the notification button. Thank you.